So apparently the first two videos of this series got enough attention, so I decided to make the
Deluxe Railroad Builder Kit,
featuring Percy with his friend Thomas and a red truck with crates on it. Without further ado, let us commence forth. Here is layout number 2 of the Railroad Builder Kit, and I gotta say, this one's probably the weakest out of all of them. Here's layout number 3, and it's pretty massive, and there's also a turnaround track right over there. Yeah, I wasn't bothered to push the trains around the layout. I got a motorized person to do it. What are you gonna do about it, though? This is the 4th and final layout, and it has a big turnaround loop over there. So, and again, I'm going to use the motorized Percy because I'm not bothered to push the trains around the layout. Comment down below which layout was your favorite, and what would you like to see me build next if I ever decide to continue this series after this video.